Plastics. Since being discovered over 100 years ago, plastic has completely changed our lives. We use it to make an incredible range of useful things, including household items, food packaging, fishing nets, medical products and technology. The properties of plastic mean that it's lightweight,
strong, and waterproof,
which is great for making durable products that last a long time. However, these properties also make it a problem for the environment. Most plastic cannot biodegrade, which means it doesn't rot, like paper or food. Instead, plastic waste can last for a very long time after it is thrown away.
Plastics in our ocean.
Even if you don't live by the sea, the plastic that you throw away can find its way into the ocean. Around 80% of the plastic in the ocean comes from the land. Here, it can pose a huge threat to marine life. 270 million tons of plastic is made every year worldwide. From that, UK use about 13 million plastic bottles a year and recycle about 7.5 million tons of plastic bottles a year. And 8 million tons of plastic ends up in the ocean each year. Impact of plastic. Animals can become caught in pieces of plastic or mistakenly see it as food. If they cannot digest it, then the animal may become ill and die. Over time, plastic can be broken into smaller and smaller pieces. These tiny particles of plastic, known as microplastics, are eaten by fish and other sea creatures. The chemicals from the plastic are passed along the food chain and can ultimately end up in the food we eat. Once in the environment, plastic can take hundreds of years to break down. What can we do about it? There are lots of people working hard to tackle plastic pollution, from scientists and engineers, to charities and governments. However, we all have a part to play to fix this, and there are lots of ways you can make a difference. To start with, you can remember 3 simple rules to help cut down your plastic waste. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reducing the number of plastic things we buy means we end up reducing the amount of rubbish we produce. Reusing things multiple times is a great way of reducing the rubbish we throw away too. Lots of things can be recycled and made into something else. Look at the label and find out how recycling works in your local area. The best thing we can do is reduce the amount of plastic we use, especially single-use plastics, found in things such as plastic bags, bottles, straws and crisp packets. To reduce the amount of plastic we use, there is sometimes a charge. For example, plastic shopping bags now cost money to encourage people to reuse their own bags instead. Lots of companies and business are changing too, including making their products and packaging easier to recycle or even plastic-free. To deal with the problem, we need to think about how to use plastic and how we get rid of it in a way that doesn't damage our environment or become a problem for other people and living things around the world. The plastic problem is a big one, and you might think that you can only play a small part. But if we all change things together, we can make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos.